Hi, my name is DxChain, and today I'm going to do my first video on reviewing ICO. And this time around, I'm going to review this new startup called DxChain Network. And they're trying to build and develop a decentralized big data and machine learning network. They believe data is valuable and data creators should be able to own and benefit from their own data. The team aims to tackle major big data issues such as privacy, ownership, security, while supporting business intelligence and machine learning apps. Now, the project structure is based on chains on-chain architecture, which includes one master chain and two side chains, which have the structure was designed in order to solve multiple issues related to data computation, storage, and privacy issues. A decentralized data exchange platform is being developed, essentially, which allows users to own and control their own data and securely trade and analyze data. Utilizing blockchain technology featuring multi-nodes and distributed storage, the cost of data retrieval and storage will also be reduced significantly. The idea for this structure was inspired by the Lightning Network, which features a second layer payment protocol on top of a blockchain. It was also inspired by Hadoop, a centralized big data platform that was developed by the Apache Software Foundation, where one of the team members worked previously. And last but not least, I'm going to talk about what each of these chains does for the entire structure. The master chain stores asset information and events such as states, transactions, receipts, and contracts. The master chain uses proof of work to provide the highest level of security and stability. The data chain stores non-asset information or metadata, which is a set of data that provides information on other data and serves as a method of storage retrieval. The computation side chain stores specific computing tasks performed on the DxChain platform and is responsible for recording matching processes of computations, such as whether a certain task can be completed or not. Now, the key features of the platform, first one would be the verification game. It essentially enables any computational task to be performed securely while minimizing the number of network node computations required. Provable data computation allows the network to verify the accuracy of computation results. This is used by the computation chain to verify the authenticity of results and reduces the prevalence of false information. Proof of space-time and provable data possession is used as the consensus protocol of storage. The data chain uses the POST, which is the proof of space-time, and PDP, which is the provable data possession, to verify processes and to prevent various types of attacks that might bring down data. And the data model enables privacy preserving, which means enables flexibility in retrieving files at a more granular scale. So the process of the project, it's still in working process with the minimal viable product currently set sometime in July, which I'm going to show you on the roadmap here. And according to the CTO Wei Wang, a test chain could be launched in the next few months and its official network could be released early next year. TrustLook is which is the AI-based security firm founded by one of the co-founders, will be the first application in DxChain. The projects, here you can see the project's historical milestones and future development roadmap. And talking about tokens, now I'm going to try to show you information about tokens. So the tokens essentially is the they have the protocol token, which are issued as ERC20 tokens, and they will migrate to the mainnet after its launch. There are several uses for tokens. The tokens will serve as a secure and primary method of payment between participants in the network. Providers of computational storage resources that are required for running various apps and transactions will be rewarded with DX tokens. Miners will be rewarded with DX tokens based on the usefulness of work that they passively provide. So the DX tokens should appreciate in value as more users join and use the network. This is driven by numerous factors such as the number and type of applications available on the platform, user experience, data storage capacity, and processing speed. And here you see the team. Now, team is comprised of 10 people based in San Francisco, and here are the biographies of the key team members, which is summarized here. Now, I'm not gonna go into detail, and as you can see, you can read more about them here. Now, one thing about the about this project is the concerns over data ownership and privacy is becoming more and more prevalent around the world. The recent enactment of the GDPR in the European Union shows how serious the issue has become for both individuals and government on legitimate collection and use of personal data. The team has a strong technical background and relevant working experience in the fields of big data, distributed systems, blockchain research, and network security. If the team is successful in decentralized Hadoop, a distributed file system and computation solution, it will have substantial potential. However, the proof of space-time is a new concept, and no established blockchain is currently using it. It is unclear whether this concept will ultimately work. Moreover, the POST doesn't require expensive mining hardware. There is still a concern that rich players, such as a nation state or a manufacturer that enjoys cost advantage, could employ a large amount of storage and get to sign most blocks. In conclusion, the project has average market awareness, but with strong team, good idea, and token metrics with the backing of numerous investors, the project will be able to get listed on a decent exchange, I believe. The project is allocating 44% of the hard cap to crowd sale, which is relatively high among recent ICOs. It is refreshing to see that the public can have a wider participation in the project. And the project is very ambitious. I mean, it focuses on both data storage and computation, as well as the migration of Hadoop to a decentralized environment. It also aims to provide the world's largest storage space. I mean, if the project can achieve its vision, the potential can be massive, and lots of decentralized apps can benefit from the DxChain. On the other hand, while the team is impressive, there is not much work that is released publicly yet, and we'll look forward to the MVP that's set to launch in the near future, looking like probably Q3 around here. So if you like my video, please give me a like, and that will be very appreciated. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you.